Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Parkwood Elementary School, home of the Timberwolves, and just on their campus, sort of in the center of the school grounds right now. I just got to share my heart with all the students, all the grades, 3 separate assemblies on diversity, the need for human kindness. And being here in Madera, California, this is my second visit to their campus, but I really like to kind of bring in some of their acronym, what they stand for. Here at Parkwood, we have P for positive actions, A for accountability, W for work ethic, and S for support. But we're talking about every action and the difference that it can make. Just one act of kindness is how we start to change this world. So that positive actions aspect is something that I really tried to hone in on, and this need for human kindness, right? You see the front of my shirt, you see that there's 2 people inside this heart, and the peace sign as well, where peace has to begin in our hearts. But kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves, we have to show it to others around us as well. And it's so important that we do, because a lot of people, if we say something kind or do something kind to one person or a group of people, it may not just affect that one person or all those people that are in the area. It could be anybody that hears that kind word or sees that kind action too. It might change their heart in a positive way, something that might last forever. Had a couple students come up to me during lunchtime that just said, Mr. Peace, what you said, it almost brought me to tears. I said, that's okay. Tears are strength, and the sweat of our strength means you're starting to heal and feel again. And to know that we can show this unconditional love, we can appreciate all aspects of diversity, our differences, both on the outside and on the inside. It's something that for them to really take to heart, some of these younger people, even at a young age, it's just so critical, right? In today's world, that we really need to show more compassion. We need to try to include others more, right? We really need to try to accept everyone around us, no matter how they're born, no matter what the difference is. We can look at that as a way not to separate us, but to unify us, right? To bring us closer together. And diversity is, what makes schools like this so beautiful, because if all of us were the same, that'd be very, very boring, very, very boring, right? So we have to always, just remember that when it comes to appreciating diversity, we appreciate our own, but also those around us. And that means we also see ourselves and the people in our lives for this before anything too. And I bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hand, a lot of students had theirs traced today. We all have the letter M, right? We have at least one in each hand. And that M, we say, stands for miracle. Upside down, W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe that, now we can go out and be that light to someone else's hearts. And the parent session that I also was able to do today, in the evening time, was on positivity and being our best self. And that really kind of ties into the W part of their pause, which is work ethic, right? Of course, positive actions as well. But this is more being kind to our mind and to our heart, because whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive. And know that if we fail, that we don't give up, because the opposite of success is not failure, it's giving up or quitting, right? That we have that work ethic to just always do our best. True excellence isn't always having to be the best, right? It's just doing your best, right? To give the effort, to keep your head up even when things get tough, and life will get tough, right? There's a lot of situations that maybe you're going through right now, or have gone through, or will go through, but we can always have that positive mentality no matter what, to overcome those negative limiting beliefs and replace them with something more positive, right? So thank you again for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day again here at Parkwood. Hope to see you all again in the future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.